A multi-instance architecture gives each customer an isolated database and infrastructure, ensuring data privacy and allowing customized upgrades. This setup enhances scalability and resource allocation. It also provides better security control and the ability to add new features and tools. In an iPaaS environment, it offers significant control over complex business integrations and data processing. It simplifies data migration and management, especially when integrating multiple business applications. Additionally, it enables the creation of development, test, and live environments, as well as separate instances for different companies within a group structure.